आप देख रहे हैं रोशन पाकिस्तान न्यूज।
The cornerstone of a society is rule of law. So therefore, I call my movement for justice. And I believe that rule of law is the fundamental thing which differentiates a civilized society from one which is not civilized. When we took power 13 months ago, the biggest problem we faced was our current account deficit. We inherited two of the biggest deficits, the current account and the fiscal deficit. And in order to fix that, we had to make reforms. The reason why you have a deficit is because your system is not functional. The fact that you are spending more than you are earning means that there is a fundamental problem in your economy. So we started changing that. And I'm proud to say that after probably one of the most difficult 1 year in my life, finally I can say that there has been a change where we have brought down that current account deficit, which is the fundamental thing. No matter how much, even if your economy is growing, if your current account is in a deficit, if that is not balanced, you're always going to be in trouble because your currency is going to be hit. And once your currency loses value, everything, investment stops, inflation goes up, and of course it raises poverty. So this is the one big achievement I can say. We have brought down the deficit almost by 70% in 1 year. The other problems we face, of course, the biggest problem is fixing the institutions. You can destroy an institution very quickly, but to fix the institution does take time. So the one institution we are trying to fix is our FBR, which is the agency that collects taxes. Pakistan has a very low tax GDP ratio. So fixing that, the tax system has been the biggest challenge. And I'm again proud to say that the last 2 months, we have collected the highest tax ever, despite the fact that our economy still not got moving because of the restructuring. The external challenges, obviously, the most important thing for anyone who assumes power is to reduce poverty. And that was from the first word go, that was the biggest goal. Now, in order to raise people out of poverty, the next most important thing is to have stability. So we have the Afghanistan issue, on the other side, Iran, and then our relationship with India. So immediately we try to mend fences. Afghanistan, we have mended fences. We have very good interaction with the Afghan government. With Iran, we hope to play a big part. I have, met the Iranian president. Of course, President Trump also asked me if we can play a part. I have also Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman that we should play a part in reducing the tensions. We're trying our best. It's quite a complex issue, but we will try our best. I don't know how far we'll be successful.